Hi, my name is Sarath. I'm going to explain about joystick control system. Okay, joystick control system and engineering overview. Joystick offers sensor control like gaming, robotics, and additives and industries. This presentation explores the key control system. And it's actually, okay, let's go to the next slide. Automated based system. Let's see joystick how it works. Working principle is like mechanical movement changes the resistance, production analog signal. Okay. And we go to advantages, simple, low cost, and reliable for basic application. Drawbacks, it's a very limited perception. That's low legacy, it affects the drift of the events. Okay. Yeah, analog to digital conversion. Signal digitalization. Microcontrollers converts analog signal into digital values. Resolution, range from 8 bit to 12 bit, 12 bit for binary control. Okay. Sampling rate, 100 Hz. It differs for the different types of joystick. Strain gauge system, measurement principle. Resistance changes from applied force enables the when we move the joystick, it may changes like the affected base. Technology uses Wheatstone bridge amplifier for accurate signal. For okay. Applications for feedback joysticks and the industry's control benefits most. Yeah. Like it's not going to say. Okay, it's okay. Optical encoder, increment encoder, observable encoder uses these test skills. All effect sensors. Examples used in modern Xbox PlayStation control and operating principle detects magnetic field changes, products were producing voltage signal, benefits contactless sensing, ensuring durable navigation. Phosphate system, complex control. Advantages algorithm translate the game events to algorithms. Accurators, motor or sinusoidal apply physics force to stick. Modern 10% official version. Wireless like Bluetooth and low latency protocol improves the freedom. So where we can this is used where the wireless sorry and this is used where the wireless joystick is available, where you can take the joystick wherever you wanted and use it wherever you wanted. Okay. MEMS sensor. Minimization integration multiple sensors for precision control. This is used for many